This is a well pressure tank. When you live in a place that isn't hooked up to city water, you have a well pump that fills this tank up, and when it hits a certain pressure, the pump stops, and then you get your water in the house out of this tank. This one was leaking, so I replaced it. I estimate it's potentially as old as the house, which would make it 50 years old if true. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, that's cool. So this is a float? Is that what turns this off? Interesting. Ooh, little preview. Looks like this is pure clay on the bottom. Chocolate milk inside there. It's tempting to cut it down the sides, but I think that's gonna take forever and it's just gonna be a big horrible mess. If I cut it at the top, I'm gonna be limited to how far I can reach down into whatever's down there. So I think I'll probably go, you know, like right there, kind of top of the buck. Oh, wait a minute. This thing started brand new, like that, and now we're here, halfway. Uh-oh. All right, I'll get the corded. For the record, I often go for that cordless grinder thinking it's gonna be faster. Well, I guess it's evidently faster for 1 or 2 little cuts, but I don't know. I blasted through this last quarter in seconds compared to that thing I was fighting it the whole way around. It's good to know. All right, let's crack it open. Well, that's pretty awesome. Looks like we're looking at 45 years worth of clay is 4 3/4 inches deep. Oh, there's rocks down on the bottom or something. I mean, do I save this? This is especially awesome because I have no sink out here. So now what do I do? This tank is an older style, so I think new well pressure tanks all switched to having a rubber bag inside that pressurizes. I must explain the float. There's nothing like that in here. Instead, this was supposed to be glass-lined steel, and it sure looks like it's not rusty. It's got this clay bunching up on the side, which is pretty cool looking. You can see in here on the inside of the top, it's pure blue. There's no clay. And that must be the glass. I guess that almost makes my job easier here because part of the reason I'm cutting this thing up now is I want to get it out of the shed. And I assume that will make it harder to work with for welding. So I almost have no choice but to junk it. But I don't know, I'll stick it in the pile outside for a while, we'll see. All right, well, there you have it. Something legitimately cool inside. In case this video actually does well, I'm just gonna give the spiel. Be sure to subscribe. And have a good day. Thanks for watching. Ugh.